Alright, so I'm just going to do a quick live trading video here for you. So we have the ES, which is the E-Mini S&P 500 futures contract. See, it just is breaking down here at 2139.50 at that resistance. We have some different factors here, but while it's in an optimal zone here, let me just see if I can get a short in at 15 bucks. By, oops, buying a put contract. We'll see if I get filled. Knowing my luck, I probably won't. But we'll see. More on the bid, basically. Really wanted to get filled, you'd hit the ask. But honestly, I want a better price, so I'm not going to chase. But yeah, so the reason that I'm confident that this trade's going to play out rather nicely is you see it kind of running up into resistance, multi-day resistance up here in the 2140 area, and it failed. So the reason for that is there's a lot of uncertainty in the market. And there we go. Okay, so the reason that there's a lot of uncertainty is whether or not the BOJ, which is the Bank of Japan, is going to make a interest rate decision of either cutting rates or slashing rates, or increasing rates. But also you have the Federal Reserve as well about to make a move. So both of them are in 2-day meetings right now, and if there's one thing the market doesn't like, it's uncertainty. And that's all it takes for volatility. So I suspect that once people get over the fact of the typical morning ramp and the strong hands check out for lunch, the algos are going to take over and start pushing price action lower in the afternoon, at which point I'd look to probably sell this put for a profit. In all honesty, this is the first time I've ever traded the ES options, so we'll see what happens. I'm going to pause it because it's probably going to take a while for this to become profitable. Alright, so I'm actually going to sell it right now, if I can, just for 50 cents probably, just to pretty much show you how quick it was to make the money. Maybe even more. See if we can get that. There we go. So I bought one at 15 and I sold it at 15.75. And you can see I made a quick $35 in a matter of a couple of minutes. And the beautiful part about trading this way is that there's no pattern day trader rule because it's a futures contract, even though it's in options. So you can literally go in and out, in and out, in and out on these trades over and over and over all day long with a small account. As you can see in this account, I don't have a lot of money. It's just to mess around with, make videos with basically, but only have a couple $1,000, so just enough to have margin basically. I'm trying to basically grow it as much as I can with a small account and see how big I can basically make a couple $1,000. But yeah, that's how you do it. Slow and steady wins the race. Sure, it could hold for longer, but right now you have obviously a break in trend, so you're going to get a big drop. But you could possibly hold for longer, but if it's going to bounce, you're going to want to get out and then re-short on the bounce. Which is looking like what it's going to do.